Hey everyone, welcome you all to the podcast show, the show that makes you curious and think everything in terms of science. In this episode, we are going to learn all about the magnificence of 369. According to Nikola Tesla, if you want to know the secret of universe, think in terms of frequency, energy and vibrations. As I have already explained you earlier about vibration in brief. So, if you want to shape your dreams into a reality or want to attract any materialistic dream, you have to turn your body and brain frequency same as that of object frequency. And there is not just physics, math also governs the universe. And numbers play a very important role in our daily life. Yeah, it's true. Your body, your surrounding, nature, animals, planets, solar system, galaxies, etc. Everything is shaped into a perfect geometry shape. And the number 369 is a magical number. Yeah, if you know the magnificence of 369, you would have to the key to the universe. This is the book of nature which is written in mathematics. This quote has been quoted by Galileo. Like, number 9 governs all the other digital root numbers, which is starting from 0 to 8. For example, what is the 369 method? The 369 methods involve writing down what you would like to manifest 3 times in the morning, 6 times during the day, and 9 times in the evening. This method rose to popularity on TikTok naturally with videos under the hashtag 369 method, amassing over 165 million views combined. So there is something about the numbers, about the maths, which is governing the universe and our thoughts also, and is a very important role in playing our subconsciousness mind. For example, we will be starting doubling the numbers. Let's double the number 1. So when you will add 1 plus 1, you get 2. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Then again you will add that product which you have already got, like 4. So 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. And after adding 8, you get 16, which is the digital root, means 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. So when you will start doubling the numbers, you will get the repeated number of forms like 2487, 2487, etc. apart from 3, 6 and 9. Okay, so when you will start doubling the numbers, 3 plus 3 you get 6. Like, we have doubled the digital root numbers apart from 369. So we will be now doubling the number 3. So adding 3 plus 3 we get 6. Then again we will be adding 6 and the product itself, 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. But that is not the 2-digit number, we have to get 1-digit number. So again adding 12 means the digital root number 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So on again adding like 24, 12 plus 12 is equals to 24. So we get 6. 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. So when we are just adding and doubling the number 3, 6, we are getting the rooted number 3, 6, 3, 6, etc. But this is not in the case of 9. When you will add the 9 number, again the only digital root number will be 9. For example, 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. But when we will be adding the 1 plus 8, we will be getting 9 only. So 9 is present from singularity of space to infinity of space, because 9 is governing the all digital root numbers 1 to 8. For example, diameter of earth and the diameter of moon, when you will be adding all the digital roots, you will be getting 9. The speed of light, by adding all its digital root number, you will be getting 9. Second in hour, days, week, months, and the total duration of pregnancy is also equals to 9, because 9 is the magical number. And this can be proved through the vortex maths. When you will be writing the digital roots number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on the peripheral of a circle, so 3, 6 and 9 will form an equilateral triangle, and their sum will be 180 degree. And when again you will be adding its digital roots, 180 is equals to 1 plus 8 plus 0 is equals to 9. That shows that 9 governs the basic two numbers, which is 3, 6, 9. The number 369 is also a symbol of hope. This number is often seen as a reminder that no matter what challenges we face in life, we are never alone. Because 9 is only the number which is governing all the numbers, and it is also governing the space-time. 9 is the highest form of all the numbers. The number 369 is also a symbol of hope. This number is often seen as a reminder that no matter what challenges we face in life, we are never alone, because 9 governs the universe, governs the space and time. The angels are always with us, guiding and protecting us. So all activities which are taking place in cosmos also exist in a human body on a micro scale. For example, there is also a God particle within us. That's why it is often said in Hindu scriptures that God is within us. Plexus center in a human body, plexus centers means in Hindi we say नाड़ी शुदा, the centers, या ये वो points हैं जहाँ पर हमारी जितनी भी veins हैं वो एक connected point पे connect हो जाती हैं, जिसे हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं plexus. So plexus centers in a human body are the most mysterious kinds of energies. You have often heard also in Hindi कि हमारे बॉडी में 6 सेंटर्स हैं, 6 चक्रास हैं, जिसमें से 7 is the highest form which is located at the head. So that is also known as Kundalini energy. So the 6 centers plexus system is the path of Kundalini Shakti, the primordial cosmic energy of a person. Each plexus has its own properties. Like हर एक मंत्र, हर एक संस्कृत मंत्र की चैंटिंग से हमारे बॉडी में जो भी फ्रीक्वेंसी क्रिएट होती है वो हमारे एक एक प्लेक्सस सेंटर्स को, एक एक कुंडली चक्र को एक्टिवेट करती जाती है, और हर एक कुंडलिनी चक्र के लिए एक डिफरेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑलरेडी इन्वेंट की गई है. सो दीज प्लेक्सेस control some cluster of words of sounds and corresponding physical organs also in a human body. So when you chant any Sanskrit mantra that create a positive frequency, हम जब कोई भी एक संस्कृत मंत्र का चैंट करते हैं, ओम मंत्र का चैंट करते हैं या गायत्री मंत्र का चैंट करते हैं, तो वो एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी हमारी बॉडी में क्रिएट करती है. सो दैट दोज वाइब्रेशंस कॉज हार्मोन्स टू सिक्रीट फ्रॉम द corresponding glands of the human body and creates a positive energy within a human body, and also the aura apart from the human. So just by reciting the mantras we create a positive energy in our body and outside of the body also. So these plexes can play very important role in curing the diseases. And you have always heard just whenever you do some rituals, you perform some rituals, you have to do that rituals or recite the mantras in the number containing 3, 6 or 9 times. Generally people are often saying you have to recite that mantra, you have to do that ritual or that certain part in a group of 3 activity, because the 369 is just not a number, these are the magical numbers. So this statement seems quite true when we compare it with theory of absolutivity. If 369 numbers are arranged together, it makes a letter Om, which represents actually a Shagun Brahm. So when we will be arranging that 369 numbers, you are getting that Sanskrit mantra Om, and by chanting that Sanskrit mantra Om every time, repeating it several times, 1,000 times, million times, you just create that positive frequency everywhere within your body and outside of the body also. And the Brahma Muhurat is also that time during the evening where everything seems quiet in the nature, everything seems around you is quiet, so that you can have that meditation, your focus all at the meditation and all the rituals which you are performing to just create all those magnificence of numbers and energy. So when you are going to bisect that circle, means you will be making that circle into a semicircle. The angle again it will be 180 degree. So again when you will be adding that 180 degree, you will be getting 9 number. Then again when you are doing half of that semicircle, you are getting 90 degree. So again 9 is the number. And again when you will be bisecting that right angle circle, so you are getting 45 degree. So again you will be getting the 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. So 9 is just not a number. 9 also have that symmetrical shape around us. In Hindi you can also say that shank. You have seen shank. So the round shape of that shank represents 9. That has a symmetrical shape. And around the globe there are many symmetrical shapes through which there is a perfect geometry, and the angles of that perfect geometry will always come into the digital roots of 369. So the motto of this podcast is just to make you curious and think everything in terms of physics, everything is in terms of fundamental nature, so that you should also get to know that not just only the physics, not just only the bio, maths, and everything which we study is playing important role in our daily life and to our nature also. Everything has a very important role. So just be curious, stay updated to my podcast show, and if you had any suggestions, just let me know into the comment section. At last, I would like to add that the motto of this podcast show and channel is just to make you curious and think everything in terms of science, because in our Hindu scriptures, books, mantras have a scientific proof of everything, which really help us to grow our thinking capacity and be the best version of human being. Hope you all have liked this video informative, so just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.